A porphyry with dramatic flair. Welcome to the Whirikoka campus in Gisborne, where lives are being transformed with Māori arts and performance.
Ko pūriri kōria tōku ingoa.
E hia tō pakeke?
Tika maono. Tōku pakeke.
Nā he tauira koe ki konei?
Tōku tau tuatai ki konei. It's about my uncles and my dad. What that performance is called, it's called verbatim. It's kind of like mimicking. So I kind of did a bit of work around that.
Me haro rawa atu ngā mahi whakaari, they were quite inspirational. Seeing our tauira as young as 16 performing and telling their stories is just absolutely amazing.
Lisa Murray has been part of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa's story for 12 years. Now the stage is set for a new direction.
Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is on a move. Momentum is, now in track, and we're about making change. And the vision that has been set by our Te Taurungi is about setting up the biggest Indigenous Māori development organisation. And for us, we're all on board with that. We're keen to be a part of that, but also we're keen to listen to our kaimahi and to hear what needs to be done in order to achieve that vision.
Driving that vision is new marketing director Hone Paul, fresh from a stint overseeing multi-million-dollar budgets with Australian TV and radio national broadcaster SBS.
I think that Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is, the greatest brand for Māori in the country. And the reason I say that is because it has the ability to connect and to engage with more of our people than any other organisation.
Whirikoka has tauira enrolled in programs from the eastern Bay of Plenty to south of Wairoa, but the region's isolation requires an innovative approach to growth.
I think it's important for us to just take a little step back and look at where we sit in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and to actually look at where we sit in the minds of the people that we're targeting.
There is no other city that's got such a high proportion of Māori living within it as we have here in Gisborne. So for that reason alone, it's important we have a very strong presence, that we are accessible to our communities, and we respond to their requirements as well.
It's really important that we are one wānanga, and that as a one wānanga we also have no silos. So we serve our communities and our students, and our head office o Te Puna Mātauranga can equally serve Tarangi.
Back at the Māori Performing Arts Department, tutor Teina Moitara has his own message for the Tumu.
Understand the potential of what this type of learning brings out, and how to capitalise it. I think, to me, they saw some things today that I don't know if they've seen, before.
Well, I'd always thought I imagined myself just being a musician. I love playing guitar, piano, but one day when my uncle just asked me to come, I was just like, okay, I'll try it out. And then when I got in here, I just figured, whoa, I love this class. I like bringing myself out, like building more confidence for myself. So when I do go on another road, I clock it.
Do you feel like being here has sort of transformed your thoughts about what you might want to do with your life or in the future?
Yeah, hard. I always, after I came to here, I always, now I got another pathway. I might want to go to Toi Whakaari in Wellington.
Tina Wycliffe, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.